Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get DeepL API key. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on the official API website. So to find your API keys, log into your DeepL account and find the API keys tab in your account. It's going to be at the top of your screen or in the side of your screen if you're on a mobile phone, and then you just have to create a new API. So you can create a new API by clicking on create key. You can give it an API key a name of your choosing. If you do not name the key, the name DeepL API key will be given to the key automatically. The number of simultaneously active keys depends on your subscription. DeepL API free users can use up to 2 keys at once. DeepL API Pro subscribers can use up to 25 keys simultaneously. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.